So Zaisha had just gotten off work at Food Line and was on her way home. She approached an intersection, which the light for her was green. She drove through the intersection, but at the same time, a tow truck turned left right in front of her.
I was at home 11 p.m. around that time, received a phone call telling me that my daughter was in the hospital, that she was in a car accident. It just seemed like the ride there just seemed like it took forever, like I couldn't get there fast enough. Finally, they released her to me. She still had glass in her face and she was in a wheelchair and she was out of it. I finally did receive the police report.
The truck driver initially lied about what color the light was.
Zaisha doesn't get to tell her side of the story because Zaisha's going to the hospital with glass in her face and a brain injury.
I knew immediately that I needed to get a lawyer for my daughter.
There was a state trooper who was sitting at the intersection and he had his dash cam on.
And you see it plain as day on this cop's dash cam exactly what happens. And it wasn't what the repo driver said.
Thankfully, my attorney retrieved the video and sent it to us.
Zaisha's got a green light, she's going straight. Bella turns out, left in front of her, there's nothing she could do. She didn't have a chance.
I had concerns with my daughter because throughout the weeks, things were changing. She started having anger issues, and this was not my daughter. I was concerned, and I would call up my attorneys. They would be like, just hold on, let us do some research. They found the best medical team.
When we settled, I remember talking to Mari over the phone and she started crying. And it was tears of joy. She knew that Zaisha with that money would be able to, really start her life.
At the end of the day, we were able to hold the insurance company fully accountable. We were able to hold the repo driver and his employer fully accountable, not just for the harm he caused, but for the lie he tried to tell.
Trust and believe that this firm is the best because they treat you like family. They listen to your concerns. If you have questions, they give you answers. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, give them a call.